As an eye care practitioner, I see a lot of patients who neglect cleaning their eyelids and lashes. Did you know there is a healthy, non-irritant and efficient way of cleaning your lids and lashes? And ladies, this is probably one of my most favorite way of removing eye makeup. In this video, I will be reviewing two products by Chrissanthie from their eye cleanse range. First, the Eyelid Cleanser Lid Wipes, and then the Foam Eyelid Cleanser. Both these products contain tea tree oil and are formulated by Ophthalmologist Dr. Chrissie. Practice good hygiene by first washing your face to get rid of any viruses, dirt, or makeup. The antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties of the product make it a healthy eye care option. I'm using the wipe over my closed eye in a circular motion, concentrating on the eyelids and lashes. Notice how the eye makeup just glides off. If you wear contact lenses, it's important that you remove them before beginning the process. For the foam, I apply it directly onto my fingers and do the same as I would with the wipe. Remember to focus on the eyelids and lashes, and once again, notice how the eye makeup simply glides off. Similarly, so would any dust or irritants from the eye. Washing your face and eyelids is important for getting rid of bacteria that lives close to our eyes, nose, and mouth. Neglecting to wash your eyelids and lashes can lead to a buildup of skin oils getting trapped in your lashes. Bacteria feed off those skin oils, putting you at risk for developing Blepharitis, which is an inflammation of the eyelids causing red, irritated, dry eyes. Personally, I prefer the wipes over the foam because I use eye makeup, and you've seen what the wipe looks like once I was done. The content in this video does not replace a consultation with your eye care practitioner. These products are hypoallergenic and safe for eyelid extensions. They are an amazing choice for both eyelid hygiene as well as a makeup remover, whilst soothing irritated, burning, scratching, and tired eyes. This product review is not a paid promotion. I just really like it. And if you like the video, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button below. And keep it classy.